Hey guys, welcome to a car video. Um, Swapping out batteries. Which I had, sit you somewhere where you could see me doing it, but that's the best place to do it. We got the negative on, which on the old battery wasn't tightened, so I'm working on the positive. On this one, the positive won't tighten. So, I think what the guy's gonna do is I took the bolts out of the clampulators and clamped on the battery terminal and kind of boo 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 the clamp and put it on nice and tight now. Wish I would have thought of that back in 2021, 2020. Let's see. And then I put that battery in. I think 2021. Batteries from 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Be 6 years old and it's already junk. Well, that's because it's a Max Never Start battery from Walmart. That battery came out of my 96 Honda Accord. Gone. Lady that I know owns it now. She's not very good on vehicles. I miss that car a lot. Got rid of that for the Pontiac G6, which is a 2007. It's got its issues, but yeah, I do complain about it here and there. But here's the thing about it. It always gets me home. It always gets me where I need to go. So, gotta find out what I did with that other bolt. I think it's in my pocket. Get the key. Oh, there it is. So what I think a guy's gonna do here is separate the two, put it in my pocket. I never like to hold the nuts and bolts. I see the camera is doing its thing again. We'll sit that there. Needle nose pliers, and we'll go ahead and clean it up. Man, damn, this is really bad. Probably don't need to do this side. Wish I just had a replacement one to just go in and replace this on this, but I don't. I wonder what Derek's doing today. Derek from Vice Grip Garage. I don't know. I'm gonna meet him someday. So I said, I wonder what he's doing today. Probably this. I don't want to do too much on those threads, because then I'll booger them up. That's as good as it's gonna get. Find the other end of it. I got the wife's hair in my pocket. Yep. Probably not. I really should check to see what the yeah, I end up charging this snack. What's wrong with having tools and drills you don't use that often? This one's the best one I got. This is a lithium ion, but certain things don't want to. Whoa, stay there, Nelly. Certain things won't stay in the truck. Panasonic, it dies too quick. Within a week, it's dead. Almost done here. Might just go ahead and run this until it's dead. I've been working on this for what, an hour now? When I originally started, I had to stop and kind of wrap my head around the whole situation. I had to put wood underneath the battery to prop it up. Ooh, kind of warm there. Well, it could help to get a new wire wheel. Not blinking yet. Yeah, that looks good on this side. Guess we'll get the bottom. Still not blinking yet. Been using this drill for, this is third project in a day. Well, we got that kind of cleaned up. Sit this here out of the way. On it in the sun. It's, I don't know, about noon, I think. Only like 47, 48 degrees outside. Guess I ought to get you in here and show you. These kind of clamp ladders. I took the bolts out, so I kind of can do that. That's on there tight. All right, where did I put the nut and bolt? There's that. And so I'm trying to bend the where it splits in the center. Oh, I hear the mailman. Wonder if he's bringing me any goodies today. Probably not. Yep, there's the mail lady, mailman, mail person. You'll probably see the wife here, maybe, in a little bit. Contemplating, should that bolt be on the outside or the inside? Inside. No, outside. I don't know. Because either side, I got the battery and or the air filter box, which we ain't messing with that because now that it's missing. Oh, I thought it was missing 2 bolts. I'm missing 1. Huh. Hi.
Hi. I said it should work.
Oh, I already got one on. I had to kind of
Question. You know I need to get my nails done, right?
Yeah.
You want me to see if I can get if you pay for an appointment today or tomorrow, and we'll try to put that money back into the bank when we get it from Kevin.
Yeah, we can do that.
And I'll try to help pay half of the phone bill. It'd be $45 each if I did it right. We're not doing Dad's truck today.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Because I don't think you want me to go for the parties with these nails this long. I mean, I'm gonna try to stay with the French tips, and it shouldn't be that long. I just have to put your card onto.
And yes, I'm.
Oh, I didn't know you were recording. I'll try to get a call and see if I can get
What I did is I ended up taking the bolts completely off. This one's actually tight this time. When I had it on that battery, it just.
I'm gonna try to get one like 3 or 4, so it'll give enough time.
Today.
Yeah, because we're going to go early tomorrow.
That makes no sense. Oh, there's no draw. Must be no draws on the battery.
We're going to have tomorrow. We're going to have to leave earlier, so we can go do that truck. We're going to have to come back here, get the truck, and he's going to give me his card to find out how much he has. So.
Love you. I think she heard me. I did mention that the wife was probably going to come out, and looks like I'm taking her to get her nails done. I mean, the wife. We're heading back to Pennsylvania tomorrow. Today's, what, the 3rd? No, the 2nd. Come on, you. Get in there. The battery terminal's not arcing. Well, it's on there, but not tightening. It's a little tighter than it was last time. Nope. It came off. Great. Still got to put the. Guess we're taking it back apart again. I wonder if I put the nut and bolt in the other way. My sister's birthday is tomorrow. She turns 30. That's why we're going to my mom and dad. There's, you don't lose it. If I move something like this, then maybe if I push on it. Not a fan of doing batteries, but kind of like love working on cars. Well, my niche's lawnmower, the 3.5 Briggs and Stratton, with the carburetor on the gas tank, 2 bolts, Mounts right on. I'm pretty good at those. What I'm going to do this time is I'm going to put this in going this way, which, a minute, yeah, this way, and this one's going on this way instead of this and this way. It said negative's tight. There must not be no draws on here. Just messing with that. It wasn't arcing out. Get in there, you. Which I think this is the opposite way of where it was. There we go. Oh, put it in the wrong, back in the same way. I just took it out. Great. Fun. Wonderful. Terrific. Oh, that's right. This ain't called a battery. This is the ice cube box. The cube box. Derek calls it. Is this? I guess this is a 2003 Kia Sedona. It's got all the, electrical digitals. I love Derek. I want to meet him. That's why I watch him so much. Now, you got Vice Grip Garage on YouTube and Roadworthy Rescues on Motor Trend. I don't know how she does it. At least once a month. Notice at least once a month he's going out somewhere, finding a car out in the field similar to this. Get it running with no brakes and drive it 700 miles home. It might not be 700, it might be 6. Might be less than that, might be more than that, but see, remember the lefty loosey, righty tighty. Don't think this one's gonna work either. No, it did not. So what's the problem? Father-in-law said he's a main mechanic. He said this should work, and it is not. Lefty loosey, right and tight. You gotta remember that. It's gonna be a long video. It's already 19 minutes long, and I've gotten this on there tight now. Great. I got lucky on that. Negative. Hoping by changing them around. and make it work. I'll try that way this time. Legs and back is starting to hurt, leaning over. Body's not used to doing this kind of stuff every day. Now it wants to go in finger this time. Huh. Just trying to save my father-in-law some time. Ooh. Now we're sparking. Nope. Going on the same way I put the other one on. Now, I wish someone or something would help me teach me understand. This is my mother-in-law saying about me. She must not be happy that I'm doing this. Well, it's on. Pop right off. Great. Like I said, my 96 Honda Accord did the same thing. Well, let the Lucy rage tidy, I guess. I'm probably not ending this video here. Ooh, now they're definitely getting sparked now. I'm gonna have to talk to my father-in-law about this one. And of course, now let's see. I think I figured out why it... The actual terminal, I think, broke. Yeah. I'll be dipping. That's why it's not clamping on. Let's see here. Oh. Remember right? I think I just broke it. It's a little rusty. Because see, I might have one somewhere in my toolbox. Well, maybe 11. So I'll take the terminal off. Tall. No. And metric. Standard. Probably standard. Yeah, it broke. We'll put that there. I still got to put the. Well, guess I might as well show you, but it broke. And this is not my first rodeo with these. So, that's what I'm going to do. We're going to end this video. I'm going to say this video was a fail. I still got to put the bracket in, hold the battery in place. I guess I'm going to go ahead and see if I got one of these. I think it's in the storage unit in my big toolbox. That's not going to help me at all. So yeah, we'll end this video now, here, wherever. I don't know. Thank you for watching. If you have a comment, bleep bloop it down below. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Got more videos coming up on a bunch of other different things. Computers. Maybe got Thanksgiving coming up. Holidays are pretty much here. I say the holidays are pretty much here. Around Halloween. Halloween Tuesday. Didn't really do too much. Broke from me jamming on her. Thank you for watching.